Welcome to Lily Vacation Farmhouse, your perfect getaway in the serene heart of Hala Hala, Rizal. At our farmhouse, you have plenty of space. And when we say plenty, we mean 16,000 square meters of open space to explore and enjoy. Lily Vacation Farmhouse is the perfect venue for any occasion. Host an unforgettable birthday party, gather for a family reunion, or plan a productive corporate retreat. Our farmhouse comfortably accommodates up to 25 guests, with 3 air-conditioned bedrooms and modern amenities. Enjoy the convenience of 2 connecting bathrooms and stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi throughout the property. Take advantage of our complimentary services, including a bean-to-cup coffee machine, purified water, and grill area with charcoal. Enjoy entertainment with our video game machine and TV with Netflix access. Whether you're looking to cool off on a hot day or enjoy a leisurely swim, our well-maintained pool offers the perfect spot for relaxation and fun. Experience the luxury of exclusive and private use of the entire property, including our half basketball court, volleyball, soccer, football, and outdoor kitchen appliances. Enjoy our ATV rides at Lily Vacation Farmhouse, whether you're looking for an adventure or just a fun way to explore the scenic surroundings. Enjoy animal feeding at Lily Vacation Farmhouse. Get up close and personal with our friendly farm animals and experience the joy of feeding them. It's a perfect activity for both kids and adults. Love fishing? You can enjoy fishing right here on our farm, adding to the list of activities for a perfect getaway. Relish in our skylight, glamping experience and movie nights, and savor meals. Bright, fresh, and full of zest, our lemon tablescape is the perfect blend of elegance and cheer. Gather around the fire with family and friends, roast marshmallows, share stories, and enjoy the serene night under the stars. Live more like the locals do. Immerse yourself in the quiet and relaxed life. Enjoy the music of nature, from the relaxing chirping of the birds to the hypnotizing rustling of trees. Escape to tranquility, adventure, and luxury at Lily Vacation Farmhouse. Book your stay today and create unforgettable memories.